Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, gather around for a magical journey where we unravel one of the most enchanting mysteries of all time, Santa's naughty list. Have you ever wondered how Santa knows who's been naughty and who's been nice? Today, we'll explore this fascinating process that has intrigued children around the world for centuries. As the story goes, Santa Claus, known for his rosy cheeks and jolly laughter, resides in a cozy workshop nestled in the North Pole. But how, you might ask? Does he keep track of every child's behavior across the globe? Well, let's take a closer look at this age-old tradition. Every December, Santa's workshop buzzes with excitement as the jolly old man himself prepares for his annual journey. However, before he sets off, he needs to review his famous naughty so and niece lists. But these lists aren't just two simple sheets of paper. No, they are part of a carefully crafted system that Santa and his team of elves have perfected over the years. Now, some say that Santa starts his list-making process in January, as soon as the previous Christmas season has ended. Throughout the year, Santa receives updates from a network of skilled elves stationed across the world. These elves, often unseen, become Santa's eyes and ears. They observe how children behave at home, at school, and even at play. But don't worry, these elves are kind-hearted and understanding. They know that everyone makes mistakes and learn from them. Once the elves have gathered their information, they relay it back to Santa's workshop. Here, the data is meticulously organized by Santa's head elf, Bernard, who heads the list management division. The elves ensure that every child gets a fair chance to demonstrate their good behavior. But how exactly does Santa decide who goes on the naughty list? It's not as simple as it might seem. Santa takes into account the whole year and looks at patterns of behavior. For instance, if a child has shown kindness, generosity, or honesty, Santa knows these are signs of a good heart. On the other hand, repeated mischief without any attempts at making amends might earn a spot on the naughty list. However, it's important to remember that Santa believes in second chances. That's why he frequently updates the lists, even as Christmas approaches. A child who shows improvement and tries their best to help others can quickly find themselves back on the nice list. After all, Santa understands the true meaning of Christmas. It's about forgiveness, understanding, and love. Finally, as Christmas Eve draws near, the lists are finalized. But don't fret too much about the naughty list. Remember, the spirit of Christmas is about growth and joy. Santa, with his infinite capacity for compassion, knows that sometimes it's the smallest gestures of goodness that count the most. And there you have it, the enchanting tale of Santa's naughty list. So let this story inspire you to spread a little kindness and cheer each day, for that's what the magic of the season truly embodies. Until next time, keep the festive spirit alive and remember, Santa's always watching. But more importantly, always believing in the good within us all.